Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert YouTube videos to notes, and I'll show you how to get a transcript of any YouTube video for free. If you need notes from a YouTube video for studying, research, or reference, this simple method will help you extract the full transcript. So let's get started. Go to YouTube and open the video you want to convert into notes. Wait for ad to be completed. Once your videos start, you see a chapter of resuming video after video time. Click the chapter name. A transcript panel will appear on the right side of the screen. The transcript may be auto-generated or manually uploaded by the video creator. If you don't need timestamps, click on the three-dot menu in the transcript panel. Select Toggle Timestamp to remove timestamps for a cleaner text format. Click and drag from the start of the transcript to the bottom to select all text. Right-click and select Copy. Open a text editor such as Notepad, Word, or Google Docs. Paste the copied text and save the document. You now have a full transcript that you can edit, highlight, or use as notes. That's it. Now you can easily convert any YouTube video into written notes. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.